This is a bit that you can attach a socket to in your impact driver like this, and it gives you an angle. So if there's like an area, say like up under here, and you can't go straight in, but you have to go at kind of an angle, this is what I recommend for you. So this is a 3-pack here, and it pretty much has every size that you need. But what I'm going to be using right here is the 1/2 inch and the 3/4. So I'm going to go between these two, and I'm going to show you using it on an impact driver on this one, and then using it on impact driver on this one. I do have my sockets here. So you know what? Let me go ahead and open these up, and let's set it up, and I'll take that tire, or I'll just use it and kind of show you guys how well these things work, because I was impressed by it. Okay, so just taking them out here. Look at the size of these things. So here's the 1/2 inch right here, and here's my impact driver. Now this is a impact driver, so it only goes on one way. Let me get this thing on here. Needs to go on. Look at that. That works out great, everybody. Let's put the 21 on here. So you guys see that? See how that works right there? Now here's the 3/8 right here, and you could see that one. See how that one works? And let's put it on this one. Now I don't have a 1/4 inch impact driver, but you know what? I might use it on a ratchet or something at some point. So let me go ahead and move you over here. See if it works. See, look at the angle I'm at right here. Is that not crazy? Well, look, that worked out perfect. Let's go on this side. I love that. You guys see that? Put that back on. Never want to ratchet these. You want to get them fingers tightened first. Oh, that worked out great. Yeah, I don't see any issues with that at all. So let's go ahead. Let's use it on this 3/8. Now this bolt, I'm just going to show you that it works. I'm not taking it off. I'm just showing you that this thing works. Oh, that worked out great. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with these things at all. I think this is a great addition. Very affordable, too. These things can be very costly, but these look really good. They seem to do everything that I need. I've already used them a few times while I was working on my engine there, and they seem to work out perfect. So, yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, you know, the 3-pack swivel, joint swivel, impact driver joint swivel. See you on the next video.